Hi, and welcome to Golden Elite Deco. Today we'll be looking at the hottest flooring trends of 2024 and how you can incorporate them in your next flooring project. Let's go take a look at those. First up, wood flooring. This timeless option remains a favorite, but with a twist. Highlighting the natural imperfections in the wood gives it a rustic and authentic feel. Perfect for any space, wood flooring adds a warm and inviting touch. Next, we have gray-toned flooring, ideal for creating an industrial and minimalist vibe. The neutral gray brings a sleek and modern look. These floors are not only stylish, but also practical, complementing a wide range of interior designs. For those looking to make a bold statement, marble-style ceramic flooring is the way to go. Known for its elegance and sophistication, marble look can elevate any space. Its unique patterns and rich textures bring a touch of luxury that's hard to match. Transform your space with these stunning flooring options from Golden Elite Deco. Visit our website or showrooms to discover more. Your dream floor is just a step away.